Hey Ross, sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, yeah, I painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any female. Got a shorty dog, had a texting through the email.
Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this video we're back in Southwest Florida here today, as you guys can all see. And I'm currently in the Southwest Florida Trello, and we'll be checking out their future updates today. So as we can see in the vehicles section, there are a couple new vehicles here added that will be coming soon to the game. And let's start from the bottom here. So we have a 2011 Ford Crown Victoria. Pretty nice looking car. Next up here we have the 2011 Ford Crown Victoria police car right here. Pretty nice car. It looks really nice as a police car here. Yeah, pretty clean. We got the unmarked police car right here. Also really nice. I love the black accents, black door handles, black side mirrors. Pretty nice unmarked police car right there. We have a sheriff's vehicle. Pretty nice. Also Sheriff Lee County. Really nice. Really like how this looks. Pretty detailed right here with the sheriff logo here and these stripes right here. Pretty nice. We have a Porsche 911 Turbo right here. I like those headlights, really clean. I see we have a wing or spoiler in the back there. Really nice. Pretty clean tires right here. Pretty nice. I like that wing in the back. It's looking pretty nice. So this is ready, as you can see right there. We have a 1987 Porsche 911 flat nose. This will be a limited vehicle, so you guys should get this once it comes out as fast as possible. Since it is a limited vehicle, it will be going off sale within a certain amount of time. But it looks pretty similar to the other one. We have the same wing in the back. We don't have the headlights. Wait, see the difference? Alright, then we have something, a nice looking, I don't know what it's called, but yeah, we have this right here. And the other car does not, so that's one difference. Headlights and this right here. But pretty similar looking. I really like that wing from the look right there. Pretty nice, but that will be a limited vehicle. And then we have the Volkswagen Jetta 2019 remodel. So this is already in the game, but it is getting remodeled. Remodel looks pretty nice. I like those rims right there. Really nice. We got the 2010 Alpha AC right here. Pretty nice. Those headlights look pretty nice. I'm not a big fan of this car here. I don't know why. I just don't really like the look of it. But I like those rims right there. Pretty nice rims. It looks pretty nice though. But yeah, now moving up, we got the Lamborghinis right here. We have the 2003 Lamborghini Murcielago. Not sure if I said that right, but pretty nice looking Lamborghini. It's the Roadster. Pretty nice. I like how it's convertible. Is this the first convertible car in Southwest Florida? Is it? I'm not too sure. It might be the first convertible car. I don't know if we're going to be able to put on the cover here. Not sure, or if it's just going to stay off, or if the top might just stay off right here. We don't know yet. But it's looking pretty clean. There might be an interior on this though, since it is. Oh yeah, since it's a convertible, there might be an interior. I can see chairs already. I could kind of see a steering wheel, not sure. But there might be an interior in that car, which is pretty nice. Then we got the 2020 Lamborghini Huracan EVO. This thing right here is looking real clean. I'm gonna have to buy this. This is looking really nice. Love how this thing looks. Really nice car. I just really like the rear end of the Huracans. They just look really nice. I don't know, I really love the taillights and all that. This is just really nice. Huracan Evo right here. Really nice car. And then if we head over to areas right here, we see Mansion Neighborhood is in dev now, which is right near spawn here. This is where we spawn. and then this is where the mansion neighborhood will be. Pretty nice. It seems they're working on it. Off-road park is still planned. I really hope that comes soon. And then planned updates. Vehicle customization is now on hold. Used to be in planned, I think. I'm not sure. Then we have a lot of cool stuff here, like delivery job, cruise control, award systems. That's really cool. Here's a past update. And then we have boats right here, which is going to be worked on the second half of 2021. Boats would be really cool. This one right here looks really detailed. Really nice. Yeah, pretty nice cars coming right here. We have the Lamborghinis and stuff. Really nice. We see mansion neighborhood is now in dev, which is pretty nice. If we head over to the Discord server here, we see the Lamborghini Huracan EVO. Really nice model right there. And then we got the police cars right here, unmarked, the sheriff's vehicle and the police vehicle. Really nice looking right there. And then we have the Volkswagen Jetta, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, pretty nice. And right here we have a motorcycle and stuff. I don't know if this is gonna come in the game or not. Not sure. But yeah, here's the past update. We already went over this in a video. Let's actually check out car requests. So these are car requests, and they're not 100% going to be coming to the game. But here are the future updates, which is pretty nice. Pretty excited for that Lamborghini Huracan EVO. Really nice car. But that is going to be it for this video, guys. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe so we can reach 6,000 subscribers, and make sure to leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.
Hey Ross, sauce it up. Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any females. Got a shorty blog, had her texting through the email. Walking right on top, I won't fall, that's a detail. You can call me or send a text, love. Going solo, but I wish you all the best, love. Now this ain't just perfect time and place it best up.